doing bike check today. Frame itself is a BXT TRC045 frame set made out of carbon. So firstly, we have my specialized saddle that I got for free for helping my friend do his decals on the wheel set. Next, we have a Shopee set, 110mm. This is a drop bar that I cut off because I'm getting a new bar soon and it's for leisure. I have a Speedo mount carbon right from Shopee. And next we have this 767 is my number plate that I bought from Shopee. Vision crankset. I bought 300 from my boy Hao. Shout out to Hao. You know what I'm saying? Fake didgeridoo chainring that I bought off Shopee. This is just a decal. Loop Keo plate carbon panels. Shopee. We have a 60mm carbon marble wheel set laced to also front and rear with black ink decals that I bought off Shopee. And my light, a knock light, as you can see, knock that I got from my friend Anaki. I bought from him 50 bucks. No, 100 bucks. Yes, for sure, 100 bucks. And oh yeah, this bro, special mention, a Lamborghini from Tomica, a good brand. Yeah, use Velcro on it. So yeah, that's it. That's my bike.